Hey everyone, let's open up a new PR package together. Look at these cute nails I did on myself the other day. And you already know this package is from Nails by Dev. The first thing we're unboxing is the Quickie Cure Lamp. This lamp will be perfect to flash cure your gel extensions and art, but it is still recommended to use your full cure lamp. We're also unboxing 17 new Trippy Gel Colors. Welcome to the candy shop. 8 brand new vibrant pastel colors will be releasing soon. These gels are going to be perfect for all the spring and summer sets coming up. Here's a sneak peek of all the new Trippy Gel Colors coming soon. The white is not new and is already available right now. Don't forget to check these out April 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time when they release. Here are the swatches of the Candy Shop collection. They are all so pigmented and not streaky at all. Honestly, a lot of them can get away with only 1 coat, but I always do 2 just to ensure it has the max pigment. Let me know in the comments which collection you're most excited for. Don't forget to shop April 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time and use code Anna. Thank you for watching. Bye!